Hey y'all, how's it going? Yesterday we had horrible rain. We had a whole bunch of flooding happening. I was in and out picking up the kids. The truck was so close to the water. I got scared at one point. I panicked. But I'll show you some clips and some videos that I was able to take of this rain and the storm and the flooding in front of our home. The flooding in front of our home. There's a lot of debris inside the chicken coop, like where they lay their eggs, so I'm going to be cleaning that out. I think since the ground is super wet, I'm going to just put some seeds down, so I'll show you a little bit of that, me putting a little bit of seeds down. I'm tending to the kitties right now, to the cats, checking in on the rabbit, just doing a lot of outdoor stuff this Friday. The kids, since the weather was bad, the kids were excused from school, so they canceled school for their district, and I'm kind of happy. They're chilling. I'm able to do a lot of things that I normally don't get to do. This is Friday, and I'm enjoying having them home. I just made them breakfast. Now I'm outside doing all the stuff that needs to be tending. Hubby did work a lot yesterday. He's a lineman, so he's always, Storm is in and hubby is out. That's how it works. So he'd been out all morning, all afternoon, all evening pretty much. He got home late, slept, and then back at it again at 6 in the morning. So but yeah, so if you're a lineman and no lineman, thank a lineman. We have power because of them. I lost power for quite some time. I kept calling hubby. I'm like, hey, I know our city isn't your location, but come on. He works in the McAllen area and we live in Far. So I was pressuring him, get over here. He's like, no, I can't. I'm stuck in a job. I'm like, okay, well, I already put the order in, so it's just a waiting. We did lose power, I want to say about 2 in the afternoon, and we got power back about 7:38, so not too bad. Everything stayed pretty cool in the freezer and the refrigerator. I didn't lose anything, so that was great. But okay, let's get this video started. So right here, I'm just sharing how we were able to go early in the morning, right before the flooding, on our scheduled time to go purchase our football tickets for this fall coming up at the university where our son attends, which is the University of Texas Rio Grande Valley. Super exciting! Thank you all so much for joining me. Y'all be safe, stay strong. Attitude is everything. Bye, y'all.